Barrett-Jackson is famous for some of the world's greatest collector cars. But before the cars hit the block every day, it's Automobilia time.
Automobilia is vintage pieces related to cars and the car collecting hobby. It can also be American nostalgia, anything that takes you back in time.
And while the cars can bring big bucks, the Automobilia starts off much more affordable.
I mean, there's really something here for every level collector. What's nice about Automobilia is you can come out and get your feet wet and get a taste of Barrett-Jackson, because we do have items that sell at every price point. So we will sell some items that'll sell for as low as $50 to $100. Now we do have items that'll also sell for $500,000. So there's really something here for everybody.
Collectors like Steve Hyatt are on hand looking for just the right decoration or memorabilia.
My favorite interest is porcelain signs, and you know, good quality and rare signs are my favorite. I think that you know, we have been buying some of the toys, classic automotive themed toys, and that's kind of fun too. But the thing I like, you know, I've got several classic cars, and the thing I love about this stuff is you don't have to worry about running them, you don't have to worry about changing the oil, tuning them up, taking care of the leaks and all that. I mean, it's easy, you know, clean the stuff up, put it on display and enjoy it.
Although the really rare stuff, well, that can cost more than a collector car. Some Automobilia collectors want pieces that have been redone by craftsmen who've looked at every detail and made sure that it's looking just like it was when it was brand new. But there are other collectors, well, they want to see age, the patina that comes from decades of use that shows it's a true survivor, like this tire sign.
Porcelain signs have been just escalating in value. It's amazing. Last year on our stage, we sold a 30-inch porcelain Husky motor oil sign for $150,000. Now, we have a lot of signs that we're selling for $200, $300, $500, but that is where the market's going. Really rare pieces just keep appreciating in value, and there's more and more collectors who are joining the hobby, who are always on the hunt for good quality pieces. And everything we sell at Barrett-Jackson is old and original, no reproductions. And what really kind of sets us apart is if you look at the overall quality, most of our pieces are in mint to near mint condition, which is rare in the auction industry.
An Automobilia can be more than just a decoration. Bought right, it can also be an investment.
Yeah, it's getting stronger. There seems to be a lot more interest in memorabilia type stuff. I think it offers a lower price point for people to, you know, put some automotive themed things in their garage or somewhere around their house, and so there seems to be a growing interest, and we definitely in this auction today attest to the prices going up.
The Automobilia market since 1986, and I've been collecting since I was 12, but since 1986, Automobilia has been going in one direction, and that is up.
So if you don't have a lot of garage space and you can't afford that classic Mustang, Automobilia might be your gateway into the hobby.
Dash cams aren't just for filming meteors bursting over Russian villages anymore. Next-based dash cams is the next British invasion.
First and foremost, it acts as a proof of fault. It's your independent witness in the event of an accident. You can just provide the proof to your insurance company and say, this is what happened, it wasn't my fault, and get the car fixed straight away, get you back on the road. So we're really proud to be announcing the Alexa in our dash cam. You can do everything that you can do normally with Alexa, but you can also control your dash cam. You can say, Alexa, save that file. You can also send that video file to your mobile phone. All of the cameras have got inbuilt G-force detectors. So if there's an impact, it'll automatically take that crash and lock it away. If you're incapacitated, it will then automatically send a message to the emergency services, and it will say, this is where you are, your GPS location, so that the emergency services can come to you with all the right information.